Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with PHANEENDRA. In this video, we are going to discuss about the preparation plan 2024 MSET. Those who are preparing for MSET, you can follow these videos in different way how they are asking the questions from the straight lines. Tomorrow's live session on limits questions. Tomorrow I will think by evening time I will keep the question, live class either from 3 to 6, in between 3 to 5. Maximum I'll try my best. I will come to the live session on the topic of limits. Different questions I am going to discuss in that session. Let us have a discussion. The question here: if a by root bc is equal to 2 plus root b by c plus root c by b, where a, b, c is greater than 0, then the family of straight lines or simply a lines root ax plus root by plus root c equal to 0 pass through the point x comma y, then mod xy equal to. So options provided 1, 0, 2, 3. So first the given condition, from the condition you can get some value, some constant. See here, the condition is a by root bc is equal to 2 plus, this can be written as root b by root c. Root a by root b by root a by b, you can write now in the same way, plus root c by root b. Now take LCM. A by root bc is equal to, take LCM here, root b into root c. So here 2 denominator 1 is there, no? So 1 into root b into root c. So 2 into root b into root c plus root c get cancelled. Root b into root b is b plus root b get cancelled. Root c into root c is c. Now a divided by root b into root c. Root bc can be written as root b into root c. For your understanding purpose only, step by step I am doing, otherwise within 1 minute I will complete the answer, dear students. Some students are thinking why sir is taking this much time. Only for the convenience of the student I am explaining in the slowly way, otherwise I will do in my way. That is the reason most of the students, they will select our channel. I feel proud to tell that, which is equal to root b into root c. This can be written as b plus c into 2 root b root c. B can be written as root b whole square also can write. C can be written as root c whole square. So the numerator is become a square plus b square plus 2ab form only now. So I will write again 2 root bc, root b root c plus root b whole square we can write, root c whole square also we can write. So both the denominators we can cancel it, root b root c. So now a is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a plus b whole square. So we can write it as root b plus root c whole square. Even a also we can write it as root a whole square. Am I right? From this, if you remove the square root, you will get root a is equal to root b plus root c. So from this, root c I am making subject. Sir, why sir you are taking root c as the subject? In the given question, the constant term is root c. That is the reason I am taking root c as a subject. So root a, root b bring this side, minus root b, that is equal to root c. So root c value substitute in the line, the family of straight lines. Root ax plus root by plus root c. In place of root c, this value you have to replace. Root a minus root b is equal to 0. From these two, root a take common, from these two, root b take common. So root a into x plus 1 plus root b into y minus 1 is equal to 0. It is in the form of family of straight lines lambda 1 into L1 plus lambda 2 into L2 is equal to 0. How to get point of intersection? Find out the lines. L1 equal to x1 plus 1 equal to 0. L2 second line y minus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1 only. Similarly y minus 1 equal to 0. So y is equal to 1. So what they are asking to find? They are asking to find x comma y minus point. Next mod x plus y they are asking. Therefore mod x plus y is equal to mod minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 0. Therefore the value of mod x plus 1 is 0. I think everyone understands this, students. I will move to another question now. Yeah, if it is completed, I will move to another question. Maximum in the session 6 to 7 questions we will discuss in that different type of questions I am discussing. I have completed. The next question is a simple question itself. If x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, passing through two comma minus 3 and 4 comma minus 5, then the value of a plus b divided by ab, we can model x, is equal to, so option 2, option 3, option 5 and option 7. So this is a simple question. Everyone knows you are able to do this one. This equation is passing through first point, dear students, 2 comma 3. In place of x and y, replace with 2 comma minus 3. So 2 by a, in place of y minus 3, minus 3 by b equal to 1. You put that equation number 1. Next, again this equation is passing through which point? 4 comma minus 5. In place of x 4, in place of y minus 5. So 4 by a minus 5 by b is equal to 1. Now solving these equations, what I am going to do is, I want to eliminate the term a. So here 4 by a is there, here 2 by a is there. This equation multiplying by 2 and you will get this equation as 4 by a minus 6 by b is equal to 2. Am I right? So this equation multiplying by 1 on 1 itself. So same equation we are going to get, it is 4 by a minus 5 by b is equal to 1. Now I want to eliminate a value, so we can subtract. So here plus is there minus, minus is there plus, plus is there minus. So plus 4 by a minus 4 by a get cancelled. Minus 6 by b plus 5 by b minus 1 by b. That is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So cross multiply, if you do that, minus 1 is equal to b. So b value minus 1 substitute either in equation 1 or equation 2. So b is equal to minus 1. Substitute in equation 1. So you get 2 by a. B value minus 1 means minus of x plus 3 will come here. So that implies 2 by a equal to 1 minus 3. So minus 2. So both sides 2 to get cancelled. 1 by a is equal to minus 1. That implies a equal to minus 1. After getting the values of a and b, they are asking to find the value mod. Therefore, mod a plus b divided by ab. They are asking to find. So, mod a value minus 1, b value minus 1 divided by minus 1 into minus 1. So, which is equal to mod minus 2 divided by 1. So, with mod minus 2 is 2. So, I hope everyone understand. The answer is 2. It is there in the first option, dear students. We will move on to the another question. You can do it. You can copy that time. You can half minute I am going to drop that. I'll wrap this. The coming question, the same type of question they asked in the JMAINS 2024 session 1, that means January session, morning or evening time, I don't know exactly the type of question they asked. I already kept that video in our channel. The type of question they are asking to, that related question. See, once you also observe the question and get it, try to solve. Anyway, I will explain. If P of alpha square comma alpha lies in the region corresponding to the acute angle between the lines x minus 3y equal to 0 and x plus 3y is equal to 0. Sorry, x minus 5y is x minus 5y equal to 0. Then alpha belongs to k comma L, then that is open interval distance. The value of k into L is equal to, so options they provided 16, 17, 15 and 18. So these are the good question. This type of question they are already given in the JAE type question. Just I will mention this same type of question, JAE model. This type of question asked in JAE 2024 January 27th. Keep in mind, dear students, see how the type of questions we are discussing in our channel is if you prepare this type of questions, you may get benefit in the 2024 EamCet. Here the question is, if P of alpha square comma alpha lies in the region corresponding to the acute angle between the lines. If you observe these lines, the point of intersection, PI means point of intersection, is clearly origin. Why? Because this equation and this equation does not containing constant term. These two are passing through the origin and one point is given. origin and one point is given. This point lies in the region. In the region means lies inside. In the region corresponding to acute angle. Acute angle means inside the region. P of alpha square comma alpha lies in the region corresponding to the acute angle between the lines. Then acute angle between the lines, then first line is greater than 0, next line, one line x minus 3y is greater than 0 and x minus 5y less than 0. In place of x comma y, this point alpha square comma alpha substitute in place of x comma y respectively. So x value alpha square minus 3 alpha is greater than 0 and alpha square minus 5 alpha is less than 0. So alpha take common, alpha minus 3 greater than 0 and here alpha take common, alpha minus 5 is less than 0. So alpha we can write it as alpha minus 0 Next alpha minus 3 is greater than 0 and alpha means alpha minus 0 into alpha minus 5 is less than 0. I will write both the formulas, dear students, according to your convenience. See here, two formulas are there. Alpha x minus alpha into x minus beta is greater than 0 when alpha is greater than beta. X belongs to open minus infinity to alpha union beta to infinity. This is regarding first one. This is alpha, this is beta. The rest of them is x. Similarly, x minus alpha into x minus beta is less than 0 when alpha is less than greater than beta. Alpha is less than beta, sorry, less than and all this. So x belongs to open interval of alpha comma beta, otherwise lies between alpha and beta. So I will represent on the real number line. This is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. Okay. Next here 0, 3, 0, 5. So I will write the numbers. Here I am writing 0, here I am writing the 3 and here I am writing 5. Whenever we are getting the two intervals, the common interval, we have to take the answer. So alpha belongs to k comma l. No. So first we will write alpha minus 0 into alpha minus 3 greater than 0. So whenever it is greater than 0, first formula you can apply. So it belongs to minus infinity to alpha. Alpha value according to this is what? 0. Next, beta to infinity. Beta means what? 3 to infinity. This is the first inequality answer. Alpha minus 0 into alpha minus 3 greater than 0. So therefore alpha lies between these values. Now come to second inequality, that is alpha minus 0 into alpha minus 5 is less than 0. So whenever x minus alpha and x minus beta less than 0, x belongs to alpha comma beta. So 0 comma 5. Alpha and beta. Alpha belongs to 0 and 5. So it is lies between open interval. So 0 and 5. So by observing what is the common interval, if you observe the common interval will become this one. So therefore the point P, are you able to see all of you? So exactly it is coming. So therefore, so P belongs to 3 comma 5, common interval. This you have to compare with k comma l. So k value 3, l value 5. Therefore k into l equal to 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. Are you getting all of you? Are you able to see? So I will write here. So this is the common interval we want. So I am writing here. Alpha belongs to 3, 5 common interval. This you have to compare with k, L. So k is equal to 3, L is equal to 5. That implies k is equal to 3, L is equal to 5. They are asking to find k into L here. So 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. So the answer is 15 for this answer. I hope everyone understand. This same type of question they asked in the PHANEENDRA 2024 January 27th morning or evening session, exactly I did not remember, but this type of question they asked yesterday. Keep in mind and practice. We may expect in the EamCET 2024 in preparation plan. If it is completed, I will move to another question. Yeah, the next question. If ax plus by plus c equal to 0 be a variable line, where a comma b comma c are first, third, seventh terms of increasing AP. See how they are creating the questions in this manner. Increasing AP. AP means arithmetic progression, dear students. Then the variable line, always passes through the point alpha comma beta, passing through alpha comma beta. If alpha comma beta lies on x square plus y square equal to k, then k equal to, so options here 13, 14, 12 and 15. So this is the way they will ask the question. The variable line provided. So anybody, you can try to give the answer for this. I'm expecting any one of them you can give the answer. Two more questions I will explain regarding this. Yeah, no one is giving the comments. Okay, students, I will only ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a variable line. So the variable line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Equation number 1. Everyone got it? Next, ABC is what? A equal to first term of the AP. First term of AP is A only. Third term is B. B is equal to third term. Third term of AP means T3. T3 we can write it as A plus 3 minus 1 into D only, no? So A plus 2D. Are you getting all of you? Next, C equal to seventh term, T7. That means A plus 7 minus 1, 6. 6D. Equation 1 already there. I want here C constant. I want to get C value in terms of A comma B. So how to do is, equation 2 I am taking this one, equation 3 I am taking this one. BC equations. In terms of A is A only, no? That is. What I am going to do is, D is going to eliminate. So solving 2 and 3. Solving 2 and 3. So this equation multiplying by 3. This equation multiplying by 2. Okay? Why is that? I want to eliminate D value. D is a common difference. So if you multiply with 3 this equation, so 3B is equal to 3 into A, 3A. Next 3 into 2D, 6D. Okay? Next multiplying with 2. So 2C is equal to 2 into A, 2A. 2 into 6D. Sorry. This is one only. No need of. So only C. So only A. So only 6D. I want to eliminate the D value, no? So that's why only 1. So now I want to cancel D terms, means you can subtract. Whenever subtracting, sign change. Plus is there, minus. These two will be cancelled. So 3B minus C is equal to 3A minus A, 2A. Now 2A bring this side, minus C bring that side. That implies that 3B minus 2A is equal to C. I think everyone got it. Solving equation 2 and equation 3 to eliminate the values of equation 2, eliminating the value of D. So solving these two equations, we got the relation. I want C making as a subject. So 3B minus C equal to 2A. 2A bring this side, minus C bring that side. 3B minus 2A equal to C. C value substitute in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. So what I am going to get is AX plus BY. In place of C, you replace with 3B minus 2A. 3B minus 2A equal to 0. So from these 2A, from these 2 is B. So A into X minus 2 plus B into Y plus 3 is equal to 0. Again it is in the form of lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0. So line passing to the point means point of intersection of L1 and L2. L1 is equal to X minus 2 equal to 0. That implies X is equal to 2. Next L2 equal to Y plus 3 equal to 0. That implies Y equal to minus 3. So this is alpha, this is beta. So therefore they are asking to find the point lies on this. Alpha comma beta is equal to 2 comma minus 3 lies on x square plus y square equal to k. Therefore wherever x comma y is there, so 2 square plus minus 3 square 9 equal to k. That implies k equal to 13. So the value of k is 13. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. This question is also related to family of straight lines or family of concurrent lines related. I'll move to another question. I hope everyone understand. The next question is related to normal form of the straight line. Based on that, I will come. Yeah, I'm going to drop this. Tomorrow evening time, live session, I will come with the topic limits. Normal form of the line or straight line. X plus y plus root 2 equal to 0 is. So first option, x cos pi by 4 plus y sin pi by 4 equal to 1. X cos 3 pi by 4 plus y sin 3 pi by 4 is also equal to 1. Third option, x cos 5 pi by 4 plus y sin 5 pi by 4 equal to 1. X cos 7 pi by 4 plus y sin 7 pi by 4 equal to 1. So this is a normal form of the straight line. A normal form, everyone knows about a normal form of the straight line, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to b. But the thing is, you need to bring into the normal form from the given question. See here, the given question is x plus y plus root 2 equal to 0. So x plus y is equal to minus root 2. While doing this procedure, the constant term should be in positive. You write in the positive. So here negative is there, no? Throughout multiplying by minus, both sides. So it comes minus x minus y is equal to root 2. After that, dividing by root of a square plus b square. Here what is a, what is b? A value 1, b value 1. Ax plus by, if we compare that. So root over 1 square plus 1 square root 2. So dividing on both sides by root 2, minus 1 by root 2 into x. Next, y into minus 1 by root 2, root 2 by root 2. That is equal to 1. This you have to compare with x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to b. Am I right? So cos alpha value, if you compare this, cos alpha equal to minus 1 by root 2 and sin alpha is also equal to minus 1 by root 2 and p value perpendicular distance from origin to the line. Okay. So p value always greater than 0. It should be p always greater than 0. Why? Because it's a perpendicular distance. Cos alpha, sin alpha both are negative in this. So alpha value how to write? This is only very important. Alpha is equal to sin cos, in which quadrant these two values are negative. Sin and cos. Sin and cos which are negative in third quadrant. Am I right? Yes. In third quadrant means pi plus or pi minus? Pi plus. So alpha value, whenever you are writing alpha value, pi plus you have to write. Why? Because sine and cos both are negative in third quadrant means pi plus. Irrespective of minus, sine alpha 1 by root 2, cos alpha 1 by root 2. For which angle it comes in terms of sine and cos? Sine 45, cos 45 is only 1 by root 2 no. So 45 means pi by 4. So pi plus pi by 4. 4 pi plus pi, 5 pi by 4. So wherever alpha is there, replace with 5 by 4. The normal form will becomes x into cos 5 pi by 4 plus y into sine 5 pi by 4 equal to p means 1. Got it everyone, dear students? So it is there in the third option, dear students. X cos pi by 4, 5 pi by 4 plus y sine 5 pi by 4 is equal to 1. It is there in the third option. I will move to another question and the last question in this session. Yeah, I'll rub this. This type of question also we may get. The equation of line such that the normal ray from the origin makes an angle of 30 degrees with the x-axis and the area of triangle formed by the line with the coordinate axis is 50 root 3 is, so options, so first option root 3x plus 2y equal to 9, second option root 2x plus 3y is equal to plus or minus 9 root 3, root 3x plus y equal to plus or minus 10, root 3x plus y equal to plus or minus 10 root 3. So one or twice you read the question thoroughly, dear students, then you will get the question. The equation of line such that a normal ray from the origin, the figure will come like this. this is the origin. This line cuts in the x-axis at the point A and y-axis in the point B. Okay. So the normal ray, this is the normal ray. It makes an angle 30 degrees. So normal ray means the angle is alpha, not theta. So whenever alpha value is available, okay, you can go for equation of AB in the normal form. The equation of AB is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. P value we don't know. So x cos 30 degrees plus y sin 30 degrees is equal to P. X into cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus y into sin 30 1 by 2 is equal to P. Take LCM 2 and bring that side. So root 3x plus y is equal to 2. So the 2 also bring this side. Root 3x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. This equation you have to compare with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then here the values of ABC. A equal to root 3, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 2. So this area is given. This area of triangle is given. How many units? This area of triangle is given as 50 root 3. Area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB is equal to 50 root 3. Area of triangle formed by the line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 with the coordinate axis is formula half C squared by AB is equal to 50 root 3. So 2 bring that side, C squared minus 2 squared. So 4 by 2 into AB root 3 into 1 root 3 is equal to 50 into root 3. So 2 ones, 2 twos. Root 3 will bring the sign. So C value is what? I did not write properly. 2p here, not that. So C is equal to minus 2p. So minus 4p square will come. So here 2. So 2p square is equal to 50 into root 3 into root 3 bring this side. Yes. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 2p square is equal to 50 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 2 ones, 2 25s. So p square is equal to 75. That implies p is equal to root 75. So that is equal to plus or minus 25 into 3. 25 bring this side 5 into root 3. So p value. They are asking to find the line now. So this is the line. Therefore, p value we got it here. Plus or minus 5 root 3. Are you able to see? Yes, you are able to see. Therefore, the line is root 3x plus y minus 2p equal to 0. So minus 2p bring that side. Root 3x plus y is equal to 2p. P value plus or minus root 3x plus y equal to 2 into plus or minus 5 root 3. Root 3x plus y is equal to plus or minus 10 root 3. So this is our required answer. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. Required line. This is the application of normal form of the straight line. Okay. I think everyone understand that. If you are really like this video, please like, share, and you can share to your friends and relatives also. Those who are preparing, those who are preparing seriously for EAMCET 2024, as well any other mathematics related competitive exams related intermediate, you can share with them. Please like and subscribe. Thank you all, dear students. Maths with Phaneendraja. Jai Hind.